In this video, we listed the 6 best car accessories for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Universal Fit Car Gap Filler. The Universal Fit Car Gap Filler is a practical car accessory designed to prevent small items like phones, keys, or coins from falling into the gap between the car seat and the center console. This premium leather organizer not only enhances the car's interior but also adds a functional element by keeping essential items within easy reach. Suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks, it caters to both men and women looking for car essentials. The sleek black design complements most car interiors, making it a stylish and convenient addition for any vehicle. Product 2. Product name: Noco Air 15 UltraFast 15A Tire Inflator. The Noco Air 15 UltraFast 15A Tire Inflator is a powerful and portable air compressor designed for quick and efficient tire inflation, offering a 12V operation and rated at 80 psi. This compact inflator is capable of inflating tires from 0 to 40 psi in just 2.9 minutes, making it an ideal tool for both emergency situations and routine tire maintenance. It features a digital gauge for easy monitoring, smart pressure technology, and an auto shut-off function that automatically stops the inflator once the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and ensuring optimal safety. In the context of the user's interest in tools and accessories such as the Lachine P for smart air pump for motorcycles and other inflators, the Noco Air 15 offers a similar solution but with a focus on speed and power. Its high-pressure capabilities and smart features make it suitable for larger vehicles, offering reliable and portable performance for everyday use or emergency preparedness. Product 3. Product name: Electric Vacuum Magnetic Car Phone Mount. The Electric Vacuum Magnetic Car Phone Mount is a cutting-edge accessory designed for securely holding smartphones in vehicles. As a 2024 model, this device incorporates an upgraded powerful suction system that combines electric vacuum technology and magnetic attachment for enhanced stability. The mount offers 360 degrees rotation, allowing users to adjust their phone's orientation for optimal viewing during navigation, calls, or media playback. This portable phone holder is equipped with a suction cup that can attach to various surfaces, including car dashboards and windshields, ensuring a firm grip while minimizing vibrations. The magnetic holder ensures compatibility with most smartphones, providing a strong, secure hold without obstructing access to the phone's screen or ports. Product 4. Product name: Wireless Car Stereo with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The wireless car stereo with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is a versatile and modern portable touch-screen car radio multimedia player, designed to enhance in-vehicle entertainment and navigation. With built-in support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this stereo allows seamless integration of your smartphone's apps, such as music, messaging, and navigation, directly onto the touch screen, ensuring hands-free control and safer driving. The device typically features Bluetooth connectivity, enabling wireless streaming of music and calls, which enhances convenience. Many models come with a backup camera for added safety, giving drivers a clear view when reversing. The system also offers navigation support through popular apps like Google Maps or Apple Maps, ensuring up-to-date routes and traffic information. Product 5. Product name: Car Headrest Pillow. The Car Headrest Pillow is an essential accessory designed to provide comfort and support during car rides, especially for those who spend long hours driving. This car neck pillow helps in relieving neck pain by offering ergonomic support to the neck and head. It is made with 100% memory foam, which adapts to the shape of your head and neck for personalized comfort. Key features of this pillow include: adjustable strap, ensures a secure fit on various car seat sizes, allowing for flexibility and convenience. Breathable, removable cover, the cover can be easily taken off and washed, ensuring long-term hygiene and freshness. Ergonomic design, the pillow is shaped to maintain proper neck alignment, reducing strain and discomfort. Product 6. Product name: Mini Car Trash Can with Lid. The mini car trash can with lid is a compact and practical accessory designed to keep your car's interior clean and organized. It functions as a small garbage bin, helping drivers and passengers conveniently dispose of trash while traveling. This upgraded version of a car garbage can features a lid, which helps to contain odors and keep trash out of sight. Its compact size allows it to be easily placed in various locations within the car, such as the center console, door pockets, or cup holders. The mini car trash can serve as a versatile storage solution, ideal not only for cars but also for use in homes and offices. It helps to maintain cleanliness in small spaces by containing waste neatly. The black color adds a sleek and minimalist look, making it a subtle yet functional addition to your vehicle's interior.